Good morning, everybody. Rick Southwick here, Plantation Bay Golf and Country Club. I'm at 211 Heatherwood Court, and I want to let you know that this home, this Costa Mesa, which is one of our most popular plans, this home is on the market, back on the market, ready to go, move-in ready. Inventory is low. 65 square feet of living area, 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. Give you a quick peek inside. Got a nice flex room here. You can make a sitting room, an office, extra TV room, media room. I've got 2 guest bedrooms with a common bathroom in between on the left-hand side here. Beautiful wood plank looking floors. This is the best part of this house. Look at this dining room here. And then as you enter this massive kitchen with a large island, plenty of storage. My other favorite feature here, the walk-in pantry. Essentially, it's cabinet doors. You walk in and there's plenty of storage space. You've got 16-foot wide sliders looking out towards pond and conservation back here. Master bedroom, beautiful views outside with these large windows. I'll give you a quick shot of the master bath. Nice walk-in shower with no door. Home is really ready to go. Gated community, Plantation Bay Golf and Country Club. Look at this kitchen, isn't that beautiful? This one's not gonna last because we just got it back on the market. So give me a call and come out and see it. You do a good service for yourself to come see this house. It's really special. Thank you.